ready for execution of the friendly fish.
The poor fish.
The poor fish is guilty, Your Honor. Could not invoke the right because there are already cases filed in court. There she goes. The moment that you puncture the oxygen, you will kill the fish. Sorry, poor fish. Lagot. Ay, naku, look at all the oxygen. And mangingisa yan, makikita mo. Oh, mangingisa yan. Oh, there.
Lagay na. Oh, yan na siya. Oh.
Ayan na, oh, naku. Oh. There.
Ang kapal.
Ang
Ang kapal ng plastic.
kapal, oh. Because they had to preserve the oxygen. There she goes. Okay, so long farewell. We will eat you sooner or later. Oh, ayun na. Oh, ayun na. And the fish killer is smiling. There she goes. Naku, mangingisay yan, oh. Wala. Oh.
Can I hold you? Oh.
Ay, mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Ayan, oh. Humihinga pa, oh.
Oo nga.
Hirap na hirap siya, oh. Oh. Naku, ay, naku. Mouth-to-mouth
No.
resuscitation.
The
Wala.
end is near. So I face.
Oh, kiss mo.
Oh.
Kiss, oh.
Mm.
Oh, ay, patay.
Oh, the final
How cruel.
curtain.
Oh, bye-bye, fish.
Hindi talaga ako.
Ay, kawawa naman.
Oh, di ba yung kanyang ano?
Oh, ayan, oh.
Oh?
Ay, Diyos ko, humihinga pa. Making his last breath, oh. Wala. I cannot watch it. How cruel this person can be.